Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. Today we have another giveaway unboxing. A couple weeks ago I was on Legion Steel's anniversary video. They pulled my name and I won a prize. Just shout out to Marisa and Marshall at Legion Steel. They are great people. If you've not checked out their channel, please do. And if you haven't been to one of their live streams, please check them out because they are so much fun. I love hanging out with those guys. They're really terrific people. And they have a great knife company and they have a new knife out. You should check that out too. I'll put all the links to their stuff down in the description. And if you are new here, we do knife and EDC videos and we try to have a lot of fun. So if you like that kind of stuff, please consider subscribing. And I'll take that out of the way. All right, let's get started with the unboxing. I took the pleasure of actually opening the box using my CRK spew, which is just a fun knife. And let's see what we got. Oh, as we open it up, we see a swag pack. Let's open the bag and see what is in the swag pack. All right, let's get these out. We've got some we have a Kalashnikov USA morale patch. That's awesome. There is a USA embroidered morale patch. Gotta love that. We've got a Crow's Blade and Woodworks sticker. We've got a Splitting Slices sticker. We have a large Legion Steel Knives sticker. And we have a small Legion Steel's knife sticker. Love stickers, love morale patches. So let's get this out of the way. Next thing we have is a Hot Daddy spicy barbecue seasoning with chili pepper and a mix of spices and herbs. So this is the Hot Daddy butt rub. And because I won, I am now considered the Hot Daddy of Legion Steel. All right, let's put that to the side. And this is what we all came for. Oh, wait, they included a note. Let's see. With their business card, and it's a nice thank you note. I appreciate that. Marshall, Marisa, you guys are the best. So let's get the box out of the way and let's get down to the knife. Just from looking at, I already know what's in here, but already looking at the box, this is how Kalashnikov sends out, this is how Boker sends out their Kalashnikov knives. And this is a Boker Kalashnikov, and this is a special one. This is the Wiener Warrior. This is made to look like a hot dog. So it's an automatic knife with a great opening. Wow, that sounds great. So check that out. It's in your hot dog bun color, your hot dog with mustard. And it is rounded in the front and not sharpened. That's pretty interesting. It's a D2 blade, deep carry clip, and it's an automatic. So you can see me sit here and play with my Wiener Warrior. So that is terrific. I so appreciate Legion Steel for sending this out, and this is just fantastic. I can't wait to carry this because this is going to be a conversation piece. And again, it looks like a Frankfurter, if you're here on the East Coast, or a hot dog. So that is just a beautiful knife. Just a lot of fun. So I'll be playing with that a lot. So you'll get to see the Hot Daddy play with his Wiener Warrior knife. All right, folks, I appreciate you watching. This was just a quick unboxing video from the giveaway. And like I said, if you guys haven't checked them out, go check out Legion Steel Knives. They're just fantastic people, and I really like them. Happy to have them as friends. And like I said, go check their stuff out. It's a lot of fun. And again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please think about subscribing to the channel. And stay tuned. We've got a lot more videos to come. All right, folks. As I always say at the end of the videos, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.